Okay, start Buddha Vandana. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Buddhang saranang gacchami. Dhammang saranang gacchami. Sanghang saranang gacchami. Dutiyampi Buddhang saranang gacchami. Dutiyampi Dhammang saranang gacchami. Dutiyampi Sanghang saranang gacchami. Tatiyampi Buddhang saranang gacchami. Tatiyampi Dhammang saranang gacchami. Tatiyampi Sanghang saranang gacchami. Panatipata veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami. Adinadana veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami. Kamesu miccachara veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami. Musavada veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami. Suramaraya majapamadatthana veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami. Imani panca sikkhapadani samadhiyami. Imani panca sikkhapadani samadhiyami. Imani panca sikkhapadani samadhiyami. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Sumitra. Thank you so much for organizing this session again. So we welcome our two new participants, Brother Emily and Brother Hokseng. You're welcome to join us. We do not
Yeah,
know.
hi, hello.
What is your experience with chanting, brother?
I do chant, but I
Okay.
follow the Thai tradition.
Okay, good. Go ahead. You can do the Thai way. There's nothing wrong with that, except that the alphabets are different, Thai alphabets and the Pali alphabets. So the sound is a little bit different, but the intonation are all the same actually. Little bit of sound difference only, lah. So Stanley, what about you, Stanley?
Yeah. So my experience is just chanting together in the monastery or in the temple.
Very good. Yeah, okay. So
Okay.
we just will polish you a bit lah, so become better chanter next time lah. Okay. So we will continue with our stanza number 12. Is that today? 11. Mitra? Okay.
Last week we done number 10. So this week,
okay.
would you like to go ahead with number 11 or you want to
I would suggest we go ahead 11, 12, 13, 14, and okay, there are only four, in fact, five stanzas only, because 15, 16, 17, actually, it's a repetition. So maybe we proceed with 11, okay? Okay, the meaning of 11, I think last week we have actually discussed it, okay? But okay, we will just chant this again. Okay. Kinca piso kammang karoti papakang kayena vaca udacetasa abhabboso tassa paticca daya abhabbata padassa vutta idang pisangge ratanang panitang etena saccena subati hotu kinca piso kamang karoti papakang kayena waca udacetasa va ababboso tassa paticca daya ababbata ditta padassa vutta idang pisangge ratanang panitang etena saccena suvati hotu. Okay, I'll go slowly with the words. Kinca piso kamang karoti papakang kayena waca udacetasa abhabboso tassa paticca daya ababbata ditta padassa vutta idang pisangge ratanang panitang etena saccena suvati hotu. Okay, so over to you, sister.
Incapi so kaman karoti papakam kayena vacha uda cita sava ababbo so tasa pati cadaya ababbata dita padasa vuta idampe sangge ratanam panitam etena sacena suvati hotu.
Okay, we start with the last line instead. Don't forget, it's etena.
Etena sacena suvati hotu.
Yes. Okay, now we move to the first word. This first line, first word. Kincapi. Long A.
Kincapi.
Yes. So you have missed that and you have missed another long E. Second line, second last word. Cetasawa. Cetasa.
Cetasa.
Yeah. Kayena waca udacetasawa.
Kayena vacha uda cetas cetasa.
Udacetasawa.
Uda cetasava.
Perfect, sister. Yes. So you get the rhythm right that way, then your long intonation will come in. So you shift the che to uda lah. Uda che tasawa because the A is short. So so we tend to join the first syllable or next line. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Well done, sister.
Kinca piso kamang karoti papakang kayena vacha uday ceta seva ababotase pati cedaya ababeta dita pada savuta idampi sangge ratanam panitang etena sacena subati hotu.
Okay, sister, we'll try again. First line. Kinca piso kamang
Kinca piso kamang
karoti papakang
karoti papakang
karoti o is always long. Karoti papakang
karoti papakang
kayena waca udacetasawa.
kayena vacha uda cetasava.
Excellent, sister. Very good.
Thank you.
Abhabboso tassa paticca daya.
Ababoso tase pati cadaya
Very good. Tassa. Don't forget your double.
tase.
Yes. Double consonant. Abhabbata ditta padassa
Abad, abad beta, sorry, abad ba, abad beta, kita pada savuta,
pada sebuta, pada sebuta.
pada sebuta.
Okay, then the last two line to perfect yourself. All this is repeated
Okay.
all the time. Idang pisang ge ratanang panitang.
Idampi sangge ratenang panitang,
Panitang.
panitang,
Etena sacena subati hotu.
etena sacena vasuvati hotu.
Okay, excellent, sister.
Thank you.
Kincapiso kamang karoti papakang kayena vacha udace tasava abapposo tassa paticadaya abappata ditta padassa vutta bidang bisangge ratanang patinang etena sacena suvatti hotu.
Etena sacena subati hotu.
Etena sacena
Tena.
e
Too long E. Etena.
etena
Etena. Long E. Too long E is the
okay.
etena.
Etena sacena suvatti hotu.
Okay, another long E there. Sacena subati hotu.
Sacena suvatti hotu.
Okay, excellent, brother. Then don't forget the first line. We go back to the first line. Your long O you forgot, nah? Your word number 1, 2, 3, 4. Word
Oh,
number 4, karoti. Karoti.
karoti.
Yes, you have missed out a lot of long vowels. Another long vowel you missed out is okay. Abhabata.
Abab
Fourth line, yes. There's a long A at the end of the word. Abhabata.
ababbata.
Yes, perfect. That's how you go, huh? Abhabata ditta pada sebuta.
Ababbata ditta padassa vutta.
Yes, abhabata, long A. Ta.
Ta.
Yes. Very good, brother. Very good. Okay.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay. Kincapi so kamang karoti papakang kayena vacha udacitasava ababboso tassa paticadaya ababbata ditta padassa vutta idang pisang ratanang panitang etena sacena supatti hotu.
Okay, very good, sister. Except for your second line. Let's improve on the second line, huh? Okay, I shall recite the first line and second line. We practice, huh?
Okay.
Kinca piso kamang karoti papekang kayen. Okay, second line only for you, huh? Kayen waca udacetesava.
Kincapi so kamang karoti papakang kayena vacha udacittasava.
Okay,
Sorry.
waca long A.
Kayena
Waca.
Kayena vacha
Udaceta. Yeah, udacetasa.
udacetasava.
Okay, now you join them up. Kayena waca udacetasawa.
Kayena vacha udacetasa va.
Uda cetasava.
Udacetasa va.
Okay, very good. So you practice the second line,
Okay.
Area to improve second line. Okay, good.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Kincapi so kamang karoti papakam kayena vacha uda cetasava ababo so tasa pati cadaya ababata dita padasa buta idampi sangge ratanam panitam etena sacena suwati hotu.
Okay, well done, sister. I know you have attended some puja, but you are not familiar with the Pali phonetics, So that's why we don't get our long vowels and the double consonant right lah, Okay, so we'll practice only the first two lines, so that you get a feel of the Pali phonetics, Number one, we say kincapi. A has a diacritical mark on the top. That means long A. Kincapi. So, yes. So, O is also long. O is also a long vowel. You see, on the right-hand side, Sister Sumitra has put in for us A, R, E, U, E, O, long vowels. So is a long vowels. Kincapi, so.
Kincapiso.
Then double M is called a double consonant. We must pause at double consonant. Kinca piso kamang karoti.
Kincapiso kamang karoti.
Papekang.
Papekam.
Excellent, sister. That's how you use your phonetics correctly. You try
Okay.
second line now. Kayena wacha.
Kayena vacha.
Udace.
Udace tasava.
Excellent, sister. Very good. So that's how you use. Hope you join us in our new session. Was I will be reintroducing the Pali phonetics and all those things
Thank you.
in chapter 3 lah. Okay,
Thank
so
you.
that's how you apply this phonetics. Okay, very good.
Okay, thank you.
Number
Now
anak.
is, number 6, Sister Emily, please.
Yeah. Kincapi so kamang karoti papekang kayena baca uda ceta sava ababo sota sepati cadaya ababata dita padasa puta idang pisang geratinang panitang etena sacena suwati
Hotu.
hontu.
Yes. Okay, well done, sister. Again here, all the Pali phonetics again. The long A's and the long E's and the double consonant. We focus on the second line. Kayena wacha. You see, long A, long E, and then short A, then long A, long A. Kayena wacha.
Kayena vaca.
Kayena, long A.
Kayena vaca.
Udah cetasava.
Uda ceta sava.
Yes, I go faster. Udah cetasava.
Uda ceta sava.
Yes, yes. So this is how you use your Pali phonetics. Just
Okay,
get a
thank
feel
you.
of it today. Don't worry. Okay, thank you. Very good.
Brother
Hock Seng.
Hock Seng.
Okay. Kinca piso kamang karoti papakam kayena vaca udace tasava abapposo tassa paticadaya ababbata ditta padassa vutta idampi sangge ratanam padnitam etena Jena Suvati Hotu.
Very well done, brother. Very good. Again, now remember the long vowels, huh?
Yeah.
Second line is a problem for many of us here. Huh? Kayena vacha, long A, long A. You call it vacha, fine, okay? Huh? I pronounce as vacha, okay. Kayena vacha.
Kayena Vacha.
No, vacha, long A, vacha.
Vacha.
Yes. Uda ce the long ear. Uda ce tersava. E is always long. O is always long.
Yeah.
Uda ce tersava.
Uda Ceta Sava.
Yes, very good. And then a quick reminder for you. You see, you look at the right hand corner here. M with a dot below. And M with a dot on the top. And N with a dot on top is pronounced as NG. So the word is panitang. Ratanang, ratanang. M with the dot is pronounced as NG lah, like sing, S-I-N-G, sing. So they will write S-I-M with the dot lah, sing. So remember Ratanang, Panitang. Ratanang, Panitang, not Ratanam, Panitam. Okay.
Panitang.
Yes, yes. For us, M with the dot is tang lah. This is a slight variation with the Thais lah. The alphabets are different lah, so they go tam and tam lah. Okay.
So the first two lines.
No, go through the whole thing. Yeah, yeah. Can?
Go through the whole thing.
Yeah, can or not? You cannot. You recite after me, no problem.
Oh, never mind. I just try.
Okay, good, very good. Okay.
Kincapi so kamam karoti papakam kayena pacha uda cetasava epha boso tasa patio cadaya Ebna bata dita padasa vuta idampi sangha ratanam panitam etena sachena suvati hotu.
Okay, very good shot. Okay, we'll introduce the Pali alphabet for you here. Okay, the first line and the second line, we use all the Pali alphabets for you to familiarize yourself. Kinca, piso. A with the diacritical mark on top is a long A, so must be chapi. So is always a long O unless there are conditions. Later we will explain to you in lesson 3. Okay, kinca, piso. So S-O. O is always long. Kinca, piso, kamang. Double consonant, we pause and make it clear. Kamang, not kamang. Kamang is kamang. Can you try that few first? Kinca, piso, kamang.
Kamang.
Okay, another thing is M with the dot is pronounced as NG also, okay? So it is actually M-A-N-G. M with the dot is pronounced as NG. Okay, can you try this? Kinca, piso, kamang.
Kinca piso kamang.
Karoti papakang.
Karoti papakam.
Perfect. Kayena vacha.
Kayena vacha.
Yes, very good. So long A's are all used. E is drag. Very good. Uda cetasava.
Udacettasava.
Yes, yes. Okay, that's how you get the feel of using the Pali phonetics, huh, Sister? Okay. I hope you join us
Okay.
for your for the chapter 3, and then we'll be starting all over again with all these things. Okay, good. Yeah. So Sister Devi has joined us, eh?
Kincapi sokamang karoti papakang kayena vacha udacetasawa ababboso tassa paticadaya Abata Dita Padasa Yutta Idang Pisangge Ratanang Panitang Etena Sachena Suwati Hotu
Yes, Sister. Go to line number 4, Sister. Ababata.
Ababata
No, Ababata.
Ababata
Dita Padasa Vutta.
Dita Padasa Vutta
Perfect. Yes. Ababata. Dita Padasa Vutta.
Ababata Dita Padasa Vutta
Very good, Sister. Okay, so we'll go through the meaning of this stanza. I think last week we have gone through a little bit on this. I remember, Okay, so this stanza says that he is incapable. Those who have, okay, anyway, the previous stories all, the next lesson we start all over again. But here we just continue on it. We won't be able to finish our Ratana Sutta today. He is incapable of hiding whatever evil he does. Okay? What the Buddha says here is those people who have cultivated and become a sotapanna, for that matter, they will not be doing bad things behind you, or those who are already enlightened. Just like the Buddha, he doesn't do things in front of you differently, behind you differently. He does not say things in front of you differently, behind you differently. In front of Devi, you're wonderful, you're wonderful. Behind Devi, he says, Allah, Devi is a very, very evil woman. That is not the kind of person when you have already cultivated. Okay? So that's what it says here. He is incapable of hiding whatever evil he does. And if he has done wrong, he will say, sorry, I've done wrong. He will not be hiding. That is people who have cultivated, okay, whether by deed, word, or thoughts, for it has been said. Okay, so, okay, now we always use the word. You see, our evil deeds, remember, our unwholesome deeds, our unwholesome karma is all from what? From where? From our evil deeds, our body, our speech, and our mind. So our deeds, our speech, and our thoughts, right? In short, you can use any term you want. So that is what the Buddha says, that all these evil deeds are, whether by deed, that is by action, by words, by speech, or by thought. These are the 3 avenues for all the wrongdoings that we do. All our wrongdoings come from these 3 avenues only. Okay? No other avenues, remember. So if you learn to control your mouth a bit, control your body a bit, control your thoughts, you are an arahant. Okay? But we cannot. We still scold people. We still have evil thoughts and unsure, wrong perception and uncertainty, fear. So these are still with us, Correct? That's why we say, it sounds simple, oh brother, be arahant so simple, just improve my body, speech, and mind. Yes, agreed. Yes. But it's not so easy, Correct? Our body tend to like a lot of luxury, tend to then we do wrong things. We like to, macam-macam through your body you can do wrong things and your speech also, we like to say wrong things and all those things You like to scold people, we like to tell lies, and also our mind, our thoughts are always bad. Not bad, but we have fear, unnecessary fear. But once you have cultivated, you won't have all this unnecessary fear in you, and unnecessary perception, wrong perception of things, wrong interpretation of things. This will not happen to you once you have cultivated. That's what the Buddha says. So what else he says here? He is incapable of hiding whatever evil he does, whether by deed, word, or thought, or for it has been said that such an act is impossible for one who has seen the path. Seen the path means who have achieved the path lah. The path is the Eightfold Path lah. Okay. If you have practiced your Eightfold Path, these things will not happen to you. If you are improved perfectly your Eightfold Path, you are an Arahant. You won't have all these qualities anymore. If you are an Arahant. Verily, in the Sangha is this precious jewel. By this truth, may there be happiness. Okay? So the Buddha says that the Sangha are this kind of people. People who doesn't abuse their body, who doesn't abuse their speech, and who doesn't have wrong thoughts and fear with them anymore. This is the quality of an Arahant. Okay? No question, we move on. Of course, this is only the gist of what you want to go into detail. I don't think we have time lah. Okay, now we go to stanza number 12. Vanapagumbe yata pussitagge gimha namase patamasming gimhe tatu pemang dhamma varang adesai Nibbana gaming paramang hitaya idang pibuddhe ratanang panitang etena satchena suvati hotu. Okay, I go slowly for you for word word by word. Vanapagumbe, vanapagumbe yatha pussitagge Gimha namase patamasming gimhe tatu pemang dhamma varang adesai nibbana gaming paramang hitaya idang pibuddhe ratanang panitang etena satchena suvati hotu vanapagumbe yata pussitagge gimha namase patamasming gimhe tatu pemang dhamma varang adesai nibbana gaming paramang hitaya idang pibuddhe ratanang panitang etena satchena suvati hotu. Okay, Susie.
Vanapagambe yakta pussitagge gimhana mase patamasming gimhe tatu pamang dhamma varang adesei nibbana gaming paramang hitaya idampe buddhe ratanang panitang etena sachena suvati hotu.
Yes, there are a lot of new words, a lot of tongue twisting words. Okay, we will focus on line 1 and 2 also, Vanapagumbe, gum, you pronounce as G-U-M, gumbe, not gum, Vanapagumbe yata pussitagge.
Vanapagumbe yata pussitagge. Pussitagge.
Gimha namase patamasming gimhe. Okay, we continue. Tatu pemang dhamma varang adesai.
Tatu pamang dhamma varang adesei.
Nibbana gaming paramang hitaya.
hitaya.
Yes, very good. So idang pi buddhe ratanang panitang etena sachena suvati hotu. This is repeated. Okay?
Okay,
Okay, thank you very much, Sita. Yeah.
Thank you.
Vanapa gumbe yata pusita ge gimhane mase patamasming gimhe tatu pemangdameng barang adesei dipanagaming paramang hitaya idampi bude ratanang panitang etena sachena suvati hotu.
Very good, Sita. I think you have understood. You have used your vowels very, very well. Your long vowels are all very well used. Except that you're not familiar with the second line. Second line, it's not because you do not know the vowels, but you're not familiar. Okay, we will do it for you. Second line. Gimha namase. Gimha. You go long A, then you go namase. Gimha namase.
Gimha namase.
Excellent. That's the way. Patamasming gimhe.
Patamasming gimhe.
Yes. So remember, gimha, you drag your A, then namase. Namase. Gimha namase.
Gimha namase.
Yes, the rest are all very good. Very well done, sister. Very good. Only this
Thank you.
area. Yeah, very good. Okay.
Vanapa gumbe yata pusitake gimha namaste patamasming gimhe Patu pamang dhamma barang adisayi nibbana gaming paramang hitaya idang bibutte ratanang panitang eteda sachena suvati hotu.
That was very good, doctor. Very good, Very good, doctor. So, okay. Only thing I just want to find repeat, Okay, line number 3, the last word, Adesai.
Adesai.
Yes, you forgot your long E, The rest, I think, very well done, brother. Very well done.
Thank you, thank you.
Panapa gumbe yata pusita ge gimhana mase patamasming gimhe tatu pamang dhamma varang adeseyi nibbana gaming paramang hitaya idampi buddhe ratanam panitang etena sachena supati hotu.
Okay, very good, Sita. Except your first line, Your first line is a bit here, Vanapa gumbe. Okay, you did well there. The second two words, Yatha pussitage, yatha pussitage. Long A, yatha pussitage.
Okay. Panapa gumbe yata pussitage.
Yeah, pussitage.
Pussitage. Pussitage.
Ge. Double G.
Tage.
Pussitage.
Okay.
Yes. Only that part.
Okay.
Very good.
Pussitage. Okay.
Yes.
Vanapa gumbe yata pusitage gimhana mase patamasming gimhe tatu pamang dhamma varang adesayi nibbana gaming paramang hitaya idang pi bude ratanang panitang Etena sacena suwati hotu.
Okay, very good, sister. Very good. You have used your vowels very well. Okay. Only little bit here, only just a little bit of fine tuning. The first line, last word. Pusitage. Don't forget double S.
Pusitage.
Pus. Yes. You must
Pusitage.
pause at double consonant. Pusitage.
Pusitage.
Excellent. Yes. You must pause at double. Yes. Yes. All the double consonant, you must do that. Dhamma. Buddha. Buddha.
Dhamma.
Dhamma. You see, you don't say Dhamma. Dhamma. We say Dhamma. Pause at the double M.
Dhamma.
Yes. Like that. Okay.
Thank you, Tuti.
Vanapa gumbe yate pusi tage gimhana mase patamas ming gimhe tatupanang dapma barang adeseyi nibbana gaming paranang hitaya idampi buddhe ratanang pati panitang etena sacena suvati hontu.
Okay, we just go to the last line. Etena sacena suvati hotu.
Etena sacena suvati hontu. Hotu.
Yes. And then we go to line number 3. Okay, area is line number 3. We can improve here. Tetu pemang dhamma varang adesai.
Tatu pamang dhamma varang adeseyi.
Yes, varang, short A, short A. Dhamma varang adesai.
Barang adesayi.
Yes, very good, sister, very good.
Thank you.
Number 7.
Okay. Vanapa gumbe yata pusitage gimhana mase patamas mingimhe tatu pamang dhamma varam adesayi nibbana gaming paramang hitaya idami putte ratanam panitam itena sacena sawati hotu.
Okay, brother, remember our M is pronounced as M with the dot is NG. Ratanang panitang.
Ratanam panitam.
No, ratanang, not ratanam. For us, we use as NG. Ratanang.
Ratanam panitam.
Yes, okay. And then here, little bit here, we have, okay, line number 2, you have forgotten to use a long A there. Gimhanamase, gimhanamase.
Namase.
Gimhanamase.
Gimha, long A, gimha.
Gimhanamase.
Yes, you go long HA, gimhanamase, gimhanamase.
Gimhanamase.
Yes. So that's how you should go. Gimhanamase. Okay, well done, brother. Okay.
Thank you, thank you.
Mr. Lin Rong, Jack. Okay.
Okay. Vanam pagambi yata pusitage gimhanamase patamas mim gimhe Tatu pamam Dhammavaram adesai Nibbanagamim paramam hitaya idampi buddheratanam panitam itena sasena suvati hotu.
Okay, Sita, well done. You're trying to use the vowels correctly. Very good. We try again now. We try again those. Do we have time for? Oh, yes, we can do the whole stanza. Huh? One round. Huh? Vanap. Okay, is it Vanap? Double P. You pause. Vanap gumbe.
Vanapagumbe
Yatha pustitage.
yata pustitake
Gimhanamase.
gimhanamase
Patamasming gimhe.
patamasmim gimhe
Tatu pemang dhamma varang.
tatu pamam dhammavaram
Adesai
adesai
nibbanagaming.
Nibbanagamim
Ming, M with the dot is NG. Gaming.
gamim
Patemang, again here, M is Nang, Pat, Gim, Nibbanagaming paramang hitaya.
Nibbanagamim paramam hitaya
Paramang, mang, M-A-N-G. Pronounce it as M-A-N-G, Paramang, Paramang hitaya.
paramang hitaya
Then idang piyaya, idang pis buddhe ratanang.
idampi butte ratanam
Panitang
panitam
etena satchena suvati hotu.
etena sachena suvati hotu.
Yes. Okay, well done. Okay, who's
Thank you.
next?
Thank you.
Vanapagumbe yatta pusitage gimhanamase patamasmin kimhe tatu pamang dhammavarang adesai nibbanagaming paramang hitaya idang pibuddhe ratanang panitang etena satchena suvati hotu.
Well done, sister. Very good. No comments, sister.
Thank you.
So, okay, so we have finished, huh? Okay, so now stanza number 12. What does the stanza number 12 say? Let us look slowly, huh? Just like a forest is flowered at the top in the first month of the summer season. Okay, let's listen carefully, huh? So has the sublime doctrine that leads to Nibbana been taught for the best, highest good, correct? Verily, the Buddha is the precious jewel. By this truth may there be happiness. Okay, what do you mean by just, okay, let us interpret this, there are many ways you can interpret the suttas, but the best that suits you, okay? Just like a forest is flowered at the top, okay? Then they compare that with the sublime doctrine of the Buddha, which is also very excellent and like the top of the flower that leads you to Nibbana. Okay, that is one way to understand it superficially, okay? We can understand that the Dhamma is excellent, and, excellent like the flowers on the top, so beautiful. The sublime Dhamma is so beautiful, and it leads you to Nibbana. That's one simple way to understand this stanza. Correct? Sister Suzy? Huh? Okay, now, another way to look at it, not say another way. Now, I mean, we are adults, we have to learn to analyze things. Just like a forest is flowered at the top in the first month of summer season. What does that mean, If you read to all the suttas, if you follow the Buddha's suttas, I mean the Buddha's movement, wherever he goes, he will go near the river bank, correct? Where he sees very smooth water flowing, clean and clear water flowing, and there'll be a nice scenery in front, okay? The Buddha will choose a spot that is like that, correct? Now, that means we have to say that don't worry, we also can have a little bit of, how should I say, okay, we can still enjoy this kind of luxury, correct? This natural luxury we still can enjoy. The beauty of nature we can still enjoy. What is dangerous is, you see, the beauty that arouses your sensual desire lah. Those are the things we have to be careful. Correct? Natural beauty. You see, the Buddha also finds a place that is very scenic, The Buddha doesn't simply go to one place that is so nothing to see, no water, dry, But the Buddha will choose a place where he wants to rest. He chooses a place that's near the river, that's very clear view, nice scenery. Meaning, we can still enjoy nature. We can still enjoy the beauty of nature. We can still enjoy beauty of music as long as it does not arouse our sensual pleasures. Another point to see is the Buddha is not a zombie. Okay? Don't say that, Buddha never feel lah, Buddha never this lah, Buddha cannot. No, the Buddha is still a human like you and me. Correct? Except that all these sentiments are all under control. He does not let these emotions run wild. He knows that emotion is the cause for all this kind of luxury and attachment to luxury. He knows. So his sentiments, his emotions are all under control. He is able to control. Sometimes we see things, we get carried away lah. People have, we also want to have. But the Buddha doesn't do that. Right? Buddha knows that the scenery is good and beautiful. He accepts, finish, full stop. He sits there, he sees, full stop. He doesn't get carried away. He is not attached to all this luxury. But he is still a human like you and me. I would have used this stanza to explain. Now, if people say that the Buddha is a zombie already, I say no. The Buddha still enjoys natural beauty, and he still has feelings. He still has emotions. Don't think the Buddha has no more feelings, the Buddha has no more emotions, he becomes a zombie. No, not true. Even you are an Arhan, also you still have little emotions, but you are not attached to this kind of emotion. The danger, the Buddha says, is the attachment to the desire. Okay, the attachment to the desire, not the desire itself, but the attachment to the desire. Like drinking. You don't say drinking is wrong. Drinking cannot be wrong, but when the liquor clouds your mind, that is wrong. We don't want our mind to be clouded, so we avoid the drink. Drink is innocent one. Correct or not? What is alcohol? The beer is very innocent. Sitting there, the beer never kacau you. You go and kacau the beer. Then your mind gets clouded. But if your mind is not clouded, I guess it is fine. You can. So this stanza for me will tell me that the Buddha is not a zombie. He still enjoys natural beauty. He is not attached. Okay? The Buddha will shift from place to place. He doesn't say, I like this place so much, I don't want to go out anymore. No. The Buddha moves from place to place. He is not attached to any of these centers, but he will choose a place that is always nice with beautiful flowers and all those things. Okay? That is our version. So anybody, Brother Lim Hokseng wants to leave, he's not free. Carry on, brother, don't worry. Join us again whenever you are available. Okay. Any question on this, Sister Susie?
No, it's okay. Thank you.
Yeah, so this is how I will interpret lah. Okay. These are all the scholars lah. So you all must, because now we have to be matured enough to understand and then interpret things lah ourselves. That's why we learn this chanting so that whatever we say, we have a basis. We are not saying out of the blues, not saying that teacher tell me, that teacher tell me. Never mind what the teacher telling you. Yes, we cross-check with the sutta. Then the sutta says so, then the sutta says so. So that is the advantage of learning to chant, so that we are able to understand firsthand what the Buddha is teaching. That is our advantage. Not through third party. We understand. Although we do not know Pali so well, I agree, we have to rely on interpretation. But later, when we improve ourselves, we'll know Pali a little bit here and there. I will introduce some words, and then we will use all this to help us to understand. Okay, we'll go to stanza number 13. Varo varanyu varado varaharo anuttaro dhamma varang adesai idang pibuddhe ratanang panitang etena saccena subatti hotu varo varanyu varado varaharo anuttaro dhamma varang adesai idang pibuddhe ratanang panitang etena saccena subatti hotu. One more time, Varo varanyu varado varaharo. Okay, this is the tongue twisting part lah. Varo varanyu varado varaharo anuttaro dhamma varang adesai idang pibuddhe ratanang panitang etena saccena subatti hotu. Okay, sister.
Varo varanyu varado varaharo anuttaro dhamma varang adesai idampe putte ratanang panitang etena saccena subatti hotu.
Okay, very good, sister. That was very good.
Thank you.
Varo varanyu varado varaharo anuttaro dhamma varang adesai idampi buddhe ratanang panitang etena saccena subatti hotu.
Oh, all are very good. This one very good.
Varo varanyu varado varaharo anuttaro dhamma varang adesai idang pute ratanang panitang etena saccena subati hotu.
Okay, very good, brother. Very good.
Varo varanyu varado varaharo anuttaro dhamma varam adesaye idampi putte ratanang panitang etena saccena subatti hotu.
That was very good, sister. Except for this little word, adesai. Second line, last word, adesai.
Adesai.
Yes, excellent, sister. Very good.
Varo varanyu varado varaharo anuttaro dhamma varang adisai idang pi buddhe ratanang panitang etena sacena suwati hotu.
Okay, very good, sister. I think this stanza you all will like it very much. I think a very simple, very easy stanza. Everybody is doing so well, eh?
Varo, varunyu, varado, varaharo, anuttaro, dhamma, varang adesai, idang pi buddhe ratinang, patinang, panitang, etena sacena suvati hontu.
Okay, sister, the first line, huh? Varo, varanyu.
Varo, varanyu.
Yes. Varado, varaharo.
Varado, varaharo.
Yes, very good, sister. Then the third line. Idang pi buddhe ratanang panitang ratanang panitang.
Idang pi buddhe ratanang panitang.
Yes. Etena sacena suvati hotu.
Etena sacena suvati hotu.
Okay, excellent, sister. Very good.
Yuk.
Varo, varanyu, varado, varaharo, anuttaro, dhamma, varang, adesai, idang pibutte, ratanang, panitang, etena saccena suvati hotu.
That was very good, huh? So we have finished. I think no more, yeah? Okay.
Yes.
Any more? No, two has locked out, I think. Okay, so here what it says, the unrivaled excellent one, huh? Varo, Varanyu, Varado, Varaharo, the knower, the giver, and the bringer of the excellent. The bringer of the excellent has expounded the excellent doctrine. Okay, so this is what they're describing the Buddha as an excellent giver, knower, and bringer of the excellent doctrine. Okay, so there's nothing much for me to discuss here unless you correlate this with the Dhamma Vandana. Okay, then the qualities of the Buddha. When you say that he's unrivaled, you say he's excellent, you say the giver or bringer of these excellent things. Now you have to correlate this with the Buddha Vandana and then see the qualities of the Buddha. And also you can correlate this with the Jayamangala Gatha and say what are the achievements of the Buddha. Why we say he's so great. These are his achievements. Remind us of his achievements. Okay. So we go to the last learning stanza, then the rest will be repeated again. We can finish. I think, yeah, okay. This one's a bit long, huh? Kinang puranang navang nati sambhavang virata citta ayatike bhavasming te kina bija avirul hik canda Nibbanti dira yatayang padipo idang pisangge ratanang panitang etena saccena suvati hotu kinang puranang navang natti sambhavang viratta citta ayatike bhavasming te kina bija avirul hik canda nibbanti dira yatayang padipo idang pisangge ratanang panitang etena saccena suvati hotu kinang puranang navang natti sambhavang Viratta citta ayatike bhavasming te kina bija avirul hik canda Nibanti dirayata yang padipo.
Kinang puranang navang nati sambavang virata citta ayatike bhavasmin te kina bija aviruhi chanda nibanti dira yatayang padipo idampe sangge ratanang panitang ecena sacena suvati hotu.
Okay. Third line kita. Te kina bija.
Te kina bija
Avirul hikchanda.
aviruhi chanda.
Yes, only the area, sister. Okay, good.
Thank you.
Kinang puranang navang nati sambavang irata citta ayatika bhavasmin te kina bija aviruhi chanda dibanti dirayata yang pedipo idampi sangge ratanang panitang etena sacena suvati hotu.
Very good, sister. We go to line number 2 ni ya. Virata citta ayatike bhavasming.
Virata citta ayatika bhavasmin.
Ayatike bhavasming.
Ayatike bhavasmin.
Yes, very good, sister.
Thank you.
Hinang puranang navang nati sambhavang virata citta ayatike bhavasming te kina bija aviruhi chanda nipati dira yata yang patipo idang bisangge ratanang panitang etena sacena suvati hotu.
Okay, well done, brother. So, second line, first word. Virata. Short I. Virata. Virata. Citta. Ayatike bhavasming virata. Double T. Yes.
Virata.
Okay, good. Short I. Now here comes a long I. Now you go to your line number 4. Last word. Padipo. Long I here.
Adipo.
Yes. So this you have to be very careful with this long I and the short I. You use the long I for the first one and short I for the second one. Terbalik.
Okay. Thank you, brother.
Okay.
Okay. Kinang puranang navam nati sambhavang virata citta ayatike bhavasmin te kinapija bija avirocit chanda Nibanti hirayatayam padipo idampi sangke ratanang panitang etena sacena supati hotu.
Okay, very good, sister. But come back to line number 2. Virata citta ayatike bhavasming ayatike. First A is a long A. Ayatike bhavasming.
Virata citta ayatike bhavasmin.
Yes. Ayatike is a long A. Bhavasming is a short A. So don't use terbalik again here.
Okay.
Ayatike bhavasming.
Ayatike bhavasmin.
Excellent, sister. Yes, that is correct.
Okay.
Ki Kinang Puranang Navang Nati Sambhavang Wirata Citta Ayatike Bhavasming Tikina Bija Aviru Cicanda Nibanti Dirayata yang padipo idang pisangge ratanang panitang etena sacena suwati hotu.
Okay, well done, Tita. But here again, this ayatike bhavasming. Line number 2, third word, ayatike.
Ayatike bhavasming
Yes, then the rest slowly we will.
irata cita ayatike
Ayatike. Ayatike. Virata citta ayatike.
Wirata cita ayatike bhavasming.
Excellent, Tita. Yes, very good.
You.
Kinang Puranang Navang Sati Sambhavang Virata Citta Ayatike Bhavasming Tekina Bija Aviruchi Chanda Nibbana Dirayata Yatta Yang Padipo Idang pisangge ratinang panitang etena sacena subati hotu.
Okay, well done, Tita. Line number 1, Puranang, long A, Puranang, Kinang Puranang.
Inang Puranang.
Oh, Puranang, short U, long A. Kinang Puranang.
Kinang Puranang.
Yes, Puranang,
Puranang.
Yes. Then we go, yes. Yeah, okay. Now we go to line number 4 now, number 4, 5, and 6, okay? Nibanti. Dira. Sorry, Nibanti Dira. Yata yang padipo. Idang pisangge ratanang panitang. Etena sacena subati hotu. Okay, very good, Sita. Very good.
Thank you.
Who's next?
Inang Puranang Wanang Nati Sambhavang Virata Citta Ayatike Bhavasming Tekina Bija Aviruhichanda Nibanti Dirayata yang padipo Idang pisangge ratanang panitang etena sacena suwati hotu.
Okay, so very well done, Sita. Except second line, last word, Bhavasming. Bhavasming.
Bhavasming.
Yes, okay. Here the Buddha says the past is extinct. A fresh becoming there is not. Their minds are not attached to future birth. Their desires grow not. Those wise one fades out. Okay. As the flame of this lamp. Verily the Sangha is the precious jewel. By this truth may there be happiness. The past is extinct. Okay. No more karma. Okay. Fresh becoming, also no more fresh becoming, okay? No more birth, okay? No more birth, no more karma. Why? Because their mind is not attached to future birth. That means you're free from future birth. No more future birth means you are in Nibbana. Nibbana. Kina bija avirulhik chanda. Then Nibanti Dira Yatayang Padipo. So then it says here, their desires grow not. When you have achieved that level, when you become an Arahant, your desires doesn't grow. This white one fades out. Okay, this one is a little bit difficult to explain to you all, that means they don't exist. But you cannot say they don't exist. You say that they are in Nibbana. Better, huh? So that their life is they don't rely anymore on our five senses, in short. Okay, they are beyond these five senses. We don't say they don't exist. We don't say they exist. Okay, so then you become an Arahant. You are in Nibbana. So that's what the Buddha says. So the Sangha, some of the Sanghas are already Arahants and they are all in Nibbana. That's what the Buddha says. Okay. Okay, so of course, we have to go for deeper definition. If you want, you can ask me. If there's no question, we'll go on to stanza number 5, 15, 16, 17. Okay, we will just finish this quickly. Okay, these are all repeated. I will introduce you what is this. The meaning of this stanza is Saka, Lord Saka. Saka is Tigong. Lord Saka exaltation. The Lord Saka gave an order to all the beings, whatever beings here assembled. The Lord Saka says, of earth and in the air, come let us salute the accomplished Buddha. So the Buddha, Lord Saka commanded all the Devas. Was he the king of Devas? Okay, and he says you all must salute the Dhamma, must salute the Buddha. The next stanza says you must salute the Dhamma. Another stanza says you must salute the Sangha. Okay, so I'll make it easy for you because time is short. I will recite for you, but I will change the Buddha last word, Buddhang Namasama Suvati Hotu. The next one is Dhammang Namasama Suvati Hotu. And Sangang Namasama Suvati Hotu. We do all three satu kali lah. Okay. So this is quite easy. I think you will like this stanza also lah. Yani the bhutani samagatani bhummani vayani va antalike tatagatang deva manussa pujitang buddhang namasama suvati hotu Dhammang namasama suvati hotu Sanghang namasama suvati hotu Yani the bhutani samagatani bhummani va Yani va antalike Tatagatang deva manussa pujitang buddhang namasama suvati hotu Dhammang namasama suvati hotu Sanghang namasama suvati hotu. Okay, Sister Suzy.
Yani the bhutani samagatani bhummani va yani va antalike tahagatam deva manusa pujitang buddhang nama sama suvati hotu dhammang nama sama suvati hotu Sangham nama sama suvati hotu.
Yes, sister, you rush so much that you forgot your long vowels. Okay. Number 1, Yani the bhutani. Bhutani, long U. Bhutani.
Yani the bhutani samagatani.
Yes. You don't forget your long vowels. You know, you rush and you have forgotten your long vowels. Pujitang also you forgot. Okay, Dewa Manusa. Mana itu? Oke. Tatagatang Dewa Manusa Pujitang. Pujitang. Don't forget.
Tatagatang Dewa Manusa Pujitang.
Yes, yes. You forgotten just now. Okay.
Hmm.
Very
Thank
good.
you.
Okay, next. Siapa?
Yani dabutani samagatani umani va yani va antalike tatagatang deva manusa pujitang udang namas sama suvati hotu.
Damang.
16 ah.
Hmm.
Yadin, or the last line.
No, last line. Okay. Damang
Okay.
nama sama.
Damang nama sama suvati hotu.
Yes.
Sanggang nama sama suvati hotu.
Yes. This is not Sangha. It's commanding all the devas to respect the Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha. That's all. Okay. Who's next?
Yani tabutani samagatani umani vayani va antalike tatagatang deva manusa pujitang udang nama sama suvati hotu.
Okay, very good. But you forgot one long A here. Bhutani.
Bhutani,
Don't forget your long U also. Bhutani.
Bhutani,
Yes, don't forget. Long U, long A there. Okay, well done.
damang sama, damang nama sama suvati hotu, sangkang nama sama suvati hotu,
Nama sama.
namasama.
Yes, yes, yes. Sorry, I interrupted you. I didn't know you're not finished. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Brother.
Yanida putani samagatani pummani vayani va antalike tatagatang deva manusa pujitang Buddhang namassama suvati hotu Dhammang namassama suvati hotu Sanghang namassama suvati hotu.
Okay, very well done, sister. Very well done. Except your third line, last word, pujitang. Last, don't forget long U there.
Pujitang.
Yes,
Yes.
that's all very minor lah.
Pujitang.
Of
Okay.
the tongue, no problem. Okay, good.
Yanida bhutani samagatani Bummani vayani varantalike tatang gatang dewa manusa pujitang Buddhang namassama suwati hotu
Okay, sister. Sorry. Carry on.
Dhammang namassama suwati hotu Sanggang namassama suwati hotu.
Okay, very well done, sister. But you have forgotten a few of the long vowels lah. You just have to remember Yani, the Bhutani, Samagatani. All the long vowels. Bhumani, Vayani, Va Antalike. So remember the long vowels, then you should be okay, sister. Okay.
Yanida Bhutani Samagatani Bunmani Vagayani Va Antajike Tatagatang tang deva manusa pujitang Budang nama sama suwati hontu. Damang nama sama suwati hontu. Sanggang nama sama suwati hontu.
Okay, well done, Tita. But don't forget the second word now. First line, second word, Bhutani.
Bhutani.
Yes, long U, long A, huh? Okay.
Ani.
Yes. Okay, well done.
Okay. Yani dabutani samagatani bummani va yani va antalike Tathagatam Deva Manussa Pujitang Buddhang Namasama Suvati Hotu Dhammang Namasama Suvati Hotu Sanghang Namasama Suvati Hotu.
Okay, well done, sister. Very good, huh? So with that, we have completed, huh? We have completed our chapter 2 of the Sutta for beginners. I encourage you all to continue to join us in chapter 3 lah, so that we can practice more. Practice makes perfect lah, don't worry. And then you don't worry, you will listen to me and then another set of new stories lah. Won't be so boring lah. Okay. Okay, we have spent an hour. I think we have exceeded our time. We have spent 1 hour and 45 minutes learning to chant the Ratana Sutta. And I'm sure while we are learning this sutta, our mind stayed very focused. And when your mind is focused, it has no unwholesome thoughts came to your mind. And when your mind is free from these unwholesome thoughts, then you accrue abundance of merits. And these merits you always dedicate to the Devas in gratitude to them, because they are always protecting them. As summoned by the Buddha, they are always protecting them, protecting us who are dedicating merits to them every time we accrue merits. So, and we hope that these devas will rejoice in these merits and they will eventually attain perfect bliss of Nibbana. And by virtue of these merits, may they continue to bless us with good health, longevity, success, happiness, prosperity, and above all, wisdom. Wisdom to walk the Buddha's path. Again, in gratitude, we must share these merits, dedicate these merits to our loved ones who are no more with us. And we hope that they too will rejoice in these merits and they will continue to bless us with their choices, blessings, and protection. However, in the event that if we have got relatives who are in need of these merits to help them in their spiritual well-being, may these merits reach them and help them in their spiritual well-being. Our aspiration, as always, may we be blessed with company of the good and the wise always. May we not follow the ways of the foolish. May we be blessed with good friends and good teachers who can guide us along the path of the Dhamma until we reach our final liberation, Nibbana. Etavata chamhehi sampatang punya sampatang sape deva sape satta sape bhuta anumodantu sapa sampati siddhya idang me nyati nang hotu sukita hontu nyatayo idang me nyati nang hotu sukita hontu nyatayo Idang me nyati nang hotu sukita hontu nyatayo imina punya kammena mame bala samagamo satang samagamo hotu yavanip bana patiya sadhu sadhu sadhu